Alright, I gave it like the 20-minute treatment just now with Windex and vinegar alternating. And you can see some slight brass coloring imparting on the steel on the face now from my wire brush to my hand brush. The one on my drill is just plain metal. Wow, is it way cleaner, buddy? Looks like it was painted black. I can definitely see black paint underneath the dead rust. So I'll consider it clean if I can get rid of any of the active rust, and past that anything is extra. It's looking pretty good on this one side as far as usability. More will get done tomorrow outside when I can really attack it.